Hello, I'm Haig, and I have the honor to represent HARSLE. One of the main objectives of our company is to save time for people. Remaining faithful to that objective, I will talk briefly and with the facts. HARSLE is a company with a history of more than 20 years, which produces metalworking equipment, press brake, shearing, door embossing, hydraulic press, punching, laser cutting machines. We successfully cooperate with more than 9,000 partners from more than 100 countries. HARSLE is an optimal combination of price and quality. We provide further high quality and quick service of our product. HARSLE, made in China. Made in China? Made in China? Yes, made in China. Let's listen to our partners.
Hi, my name is Pat Pollard. I'm from Dynamic Diamond Tooling. I've been dealing with the folks here at HARSLE, buying the various equipment, the shear, the notcher. They've also helped me source some other items that I needed. My experience with them has been excellent. The service has been awesome. Pricing, you can call and find out for yourself. You're going to be very pleased when you do. All I can say is I highly recommend the company. They produce fine, great quality stuff. Everything that I have seen, I've been very, very impressed with, and very impressed with the people in their service that have helped me. Thank you.
Mana biz olib keldik 2018 oktyabr oyida HARSLE gilyotinasini ishlashi yaxshi. Biz olib kelganimizdan beri muammosiz ishlaydi. Bu narsani hammasini qalin 5-6 mm gacha detalli kesamiz bunda. Razmerida hammasida muammo yo'q. Lineykalari ham точно ishlaydi. Servis xizmatlari hammasi joyida. Mana kelib, xabar olib, telefon qilib so'rab turibdi muammosini. Hech qanaqa muammo yo'q bizda. Pretenziyamiz ham yo'q. Joy-joyida ishlab, hammasi joy-joy. Bu narsani biz hammaga taklif qilamiz. Bu Toshkentga olib kelib, mana ishlatib, ularga xizmatimizni taklif qilib, shunaqa ish bajaramiz.
Do'stlar, mana biz HARSLE kompaniyasi bilan birga ish qilamiz. Mana avgustdan beri ishlatyapmiz shu stanoklarni. Gilyotinasi bu 2,5 dan 4 cm gacha kesiladi bunda. Hech qanaqa muammosi yo'q. Shu buni taklif qilganlar ham bizga har doim nima kamchilik, nima texnik xizmatlar kerak deb so'rayapti. Bizda unaqangi muammolar yo'q. Mana biz Farg'ona viloyati Guillotine shahriga olib kelganmiz. Bu hydraulik pressimiz ham bor. Ular ham juda chiroyli ishlaydi. Hech qanaqangi muammolar yo'q. Razmerlari cho'tka kesadi. Hamma razmerlar bo'yicha millimetrgacha точно razmer bo'yicha chiqarib beradi. Ishlariga HARSLEga gap yo'q.
Здравствуйте. Я пользуюсь представителем HARSLE уже более 3 года. В принципе, больших проблем не было, все отлично. Были мелкие проблемы, но HARSLE мы по интернету общались, они по интернету все объяснили, мы ее починили, все нормально. Работает отлично. Никаких глюков не было. Программа, аппарат, компьютер, все работает хорошо. Никаких претензий нет. Спасибо большое.
By the way, we're an easygoing company because the managers of HARSLE can speak 3 languages: Russian, Spanish, and English. Добро пожаловать в семью HARSLE. Bienvenidos a la familia HARSLE. Welcome to the HARSLE family. HARSLE. Save time, money.